evening, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. And by the time you guys are watching this video, it is Christmas Day. And I hope you guys are going to enjoy Christmas Day. Leave a comment down below in this video on what your plans are for today, for Christmas Day, or you spend it with your family, or what you guys are doing. I'm working on Christmas Day, which is, it is what it is. It's annoying, but I'm not. At the same time, I'm all by myself at 10 at the moment. But anywho, if you guys are wondering what my nighttime routine is like when I'm finished work, this is what the video is about. So I'm just going to turn on when my computer's on. I'm just going to connect the internet on my computer and just watch some Netflix, and then get dressed. Well, get dressed in my pajamas, do my nighttime skin care routine, and then just continue watching Netflix until I'm ready to pass out. So I'm just trying to connect it on here, so it should be good. But yeah, so I'm going to get dressed for bed and everything, so